This summer, don't let your child waste time on screens. I'm Sri, engineer from CET Trivandrum, former IT head KLM Airlines. I have built one of the most unique hands-on tech labs for kids. Welcome to TechieTalksAI Maker and Innovation Lab, where kids don't just learn technology, they build it. In a few sessions, your child will build a smart robotic car, design and 3D print their own creations, create AI-powered games, work on real projects, not theory. Join anytime this summer. We offer flexible options, 3-hour single session, 1-day workshops, 5-day deep dive programs, weekend and holiday batches. Convenient batch timings, 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m., 6:30 to 8:30 p.m., and morning batches are available on request. Perfect for learning and celebrations, tech birthday parties, parent and child workshops, corporate employee programs, and DIY build sessions. Every child gets certificate of completion, complete hands-on DIY kits, and of course 3D printed their own creations to take home. Less screen time, more creativity, confidence, and real skills. Book your slot today. Only around 8 students per batch. Limited seats, link in the description.